Hello everyone, Tripsy here. Today we're back with some No Man's Sky, and in this video I wanted to go over how to build multi-story rooms, since a lot of people are having difficulties getting the concept. So the latest patch for No Man's Sky allows us to build outside of the freighters, which is very cool, since that opens up so many things that we can do. That's actually how the multi-story rooms are based on. So I wanted to show how to basically build a multi-story room. As you can see, this is just a single story. I'm in part of my ship that is near the end, so I can show exactly how to make the build here. So let's get started. I'll go back here, so there is absolutely nothing there. So the first thing you do is you'll need a bulkhead door that will let us go outside, and here we go. So that's the rest of my ship, and this is all empty. So how you end up designing this place, you will be using the platform, and this will be the floor that you'll be using for the room that you're making, the two-story room. Let's add some of this here. So the room that I will design here is a 5x3. There we go. So that's the basic size of the room here. So let's get to building the walls. For walls, you can use the corridor. And you just go all the way around. And you can change the color of the walls, so you can choose exactly how it is. Going around here. It is a pretty cool concept how it's designed, but corner. Okay, here we go. So the walls for the first floor are done. So we just go to, there we go. There's the second floor. It's not perfect. Obviously, this is the game is not supporting this 100%, so the light effects are not perfect. You'll see in a little bit once we finish. Here we go. So what do we do for the roof? Well, the roof, you can do a couple things. You can build your farm up there. You know, you can take the farm modules, you can put them up top, and you know, just teleport, and the farm will be up here. So that's one easy thing that you can do. The other thing that you can do is you can build a platform up here. And the bottom of that platform is basically going to be the roof for... So let's add that. And there we go. So you had to build that one piece just so you can get it started, and but you can see once you get it started, that's what's attached to an existing room. Here we go. Come on. So this will serve as the roof for our floor, for the roof for the two-story room that we're building. That's what that will serve. course, you can change the colors of this, the roof. You can change the colors of the walls. So that's the basic concept of it. It's pretty simple once you get the idea of how it's done. You know, most people, me included, try to somehow combine the rooms, and that's not how it works. You need the idea of it. You're building outside of the ship, but it's inside. So that's the concept behind it. So let's close up the final two. And there you go, one more. There we go. So that's the basic design of the two-story. Something you can do, you can take a bocap, toss it up there. You can add some exterior catwalks, give this room a little more style there. And you can actually make that second floor functional. You know, you can route it in the back there. Currently it's, you know, it just closes off. It's basically just a circle. You can, you know, you can attach to the rest of the ship. You can put a teleporter there. You can add other stuff as well. And for the ceiling, again, you can, you know, you can make any of these basically. The other thing, you can put a farm up there, so at least it's not just wasted space up there, since it's a big flat platform. Yeah. So what can you do in this room? Unfortunately, you can't put any modules in it. You know, if you try putting this in here, it will work, but it's going to be closed off. You can put a bocap so you can get in it. Again, that's... You can put a bocap so you can get in it, but it doesn't look that nice. So, however, what you can do up here is tons of decorations. So if you go to the decorations, these are some of the trophies that I have collected from planets I visited. So we can use this as a trophy room. And of course you get that nice reflection off the floor since it's shiny. You can go up on the catwalk so you can actually see, and it looks kind of neat. If there is mods that allow you to build the old refineries, you know, the ones that go inside buildings, we can put those here. I don't have the mods, so I can't do it, but that's another cool thing. You can put this kind of stuff in here. Put a teleporter, and it actually works. I actually think they fixed this in the last bug, where the teleporter was out of power. That's a good thing, they fixed it, so finally the farm works. Before it was just one farm, one or two slots that will work from the entire farm, which was very annoying. You can also attach lights. Place. Here we go. So you can attach lights up there. And as I said, it's not perfect because this is technically outside the ship, so you can see the light from the sun kind of clips through. It's not perfect, but of course, all the decorations, I don't have that many, but you can place those in here. One of the derelicts in here. Turn that on. What else? Yeah, you can put some of these in there. But again, so that's the basic idea behind this room. it's not... It's kind of a shame that you can't turn the basic... you can't turn the modules into two-story rooms, but it's something cool to do, you know. That's a lot of what freighters are, just designing your own little space, so... Well, anyways, hopefully this was useful. If you liked the video, if this was useful to you, let me know in the comments. I'd appreciate it. Hit the thumbs up button. It really helps out my tiny channel, so... Thanks again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.